Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M22, and today I will show you how you can create folders. So if you want to organize icons that you have on your phone, for example, we can organize the Play Store. So click, hold, and then drag this icon for another one, for camera for example. When you make it, the folder will be open. You can add other apps by tapping on the plus. So we can add here clock, Google Chrome, calendar, messages, Google Maps, and maybe Google My Files. Then click done. As you can see here, we got a lot of apps. Right now we can customize that folder by tapping here, so we can easily change color of that folder. When you click here, we got more of the colors, like we can go for the yellow. Click done, and when you click on the X, it will be closed, and you can name that folder. Click down to confirm, tap outside, and take a look. There's our folder. You can move that folder like any other icon for each screen. And you can turn off that folder by clicking, holding, and then tapping on the remove. So that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.